Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We have a very interesting question here today, and this question we're going to simply use trick, very simple trick to solve this question. And of course, this is a quadratic equation, and you know that quadratic equation we have different formulas, we have different methods, of solving quadratic equation, which are the completing by square method. We have the factorization method, we have the almighty formula, you call it the formula method, and also we have the graphical method, etc. But we are going to use a very simple and a tricky method to solve this quadratic equation, and you can use it to solve any quadratic equation if you wish. This method implies that the f prime of x equals to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now this is very, very interesting. Now, first of all, what we are going to know is that the constant in quadratic equation is we have a, we have b, and we have what? C. So we are going to say that let a equals to what? A is equals to 2, and b is what? Minus 5, and c is what? Minus 3. So what do we do? When we are talking about f prime of x, in calculus, f prime of x simply means that the derivative of the function of what? Function of x, or you can simply differentiate this. If we differentiate this, we are going to say that if we differentiate 2x squared minus 5x minus 3, if we differentiate this, we are simply going to have, if you differentiate this, we're simply going to have 4x minus what? 5. Now this minus 3 here, some people will say, how? Why am I not writing minus 3 here? Now minus 3 is that the derivative of a constant function is what? 0, and the derivative of an identity function is what? Is 1. So if you differentiate 3, you're having 0. If you differentiate 5x, you're having only what? Only 5. So now this place, I'm going to write it as I'm going to write it. I've differentiated this guy. I'm going to have 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus square root of what? What is b? B is minus 5 all what? Squared minus 4 times what is a? A is 2 times what? My c is what? Minus 3. So we have here 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared is what? Is 25 minus, let's see this, 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8 times minus 3 is what? Minus 24. And of course, minus 24 is here. If we have minus 24, so what do we have? We have 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus square root of what? Minus times minus is what? Plus, and we have 25 plus 24. Hope you are getting it. And we have 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus square root of 25 plus 24 is what? 49. And of course, the square root of 49 is what? 7. And we have 4x minus 5 equals to plus or minus what? 7. Wow, very, very interesting. So what do we do next? Now I can simply take this minus 5 to my right hand side, and it's going to turn to plus 5. And we have here 4x equals to plus or minus 7 plus what? 5. And of course, you see that these are two sign here, plus and minus. So I'm simply going to take the positive sign and also take the negative sign as well. And we have 4x equals to, let's take plus. We have 7 plus 5 all divided by 4. That is the coefficient of x. This cancel this, and we have 7 plus 5 is what? What's 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 is what? 12 over 4. 4 cancel itself, 1. 4 going to here, 3. That means x here is equals to what? 3. Very, very interesting. Now let's take the negative side. If you take the negative side, we have 4. Let me divide it by 2. We have 4x equals to minus 7 plus 5 equals to what? I divide both side by 4. Divide both side by 4, and we have 4 will cancel 4 here. Sorry, we have here x equals to minus 7 plus 5. What is minus 7 plus 5? Just let me borrow you 7 things and come and pay you 5 things. What is remaining? Is remaining what? Minus 2 over what? 4. This cancel here is, okay, this cancel here 1. This goes here many times 2. So x x equals to minus 1 over 2, and the other x is equals to what? It's equals to 3. Very, very interesting and very simple. Please do well to share this video, like, and comments. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Love you guys.